Good day, I'm Tracy McCormick, and this is the McCormick Media Minute. Raise your hand high if you're someone who loves presenting in front of groups. You just can't wait to get out there in front of the room and speak, pitch, or make a presentation. How many of you love to do that? Now, how many of you really dislike it? In fact, if you can't stand it, no judgment by me, raise your hand if you'd rather sit down and let someone else do the pitching. Well, for those of you who say you can't stand it or would rather chew broken glass than talk in front of groups, you're among the vast majority of people in the world. Most people, if given the choice, would choose death over speaking in public. But why is that? What makes people so uncomfortable in front of groups that they stammer and sweat and are a bundle of nerves talking about a product that they know well? I've asked this question to thousands of trainees and groups, and it always comes down to the same three things. 1, feeling a lack of confidence. 2, feeling overly nervous. And 3, feeling as though you're going to be judged. Well, the truth is, there are many, many very simple techniques that you can use to combat all of those feelings of inadequacy. This video is part 1 of a 4-part series called Modern Storytelling Skills, where I'll give you several tips to combat nervousness and increase your confidence so that you can present at a much higher level of performance. The first thing I'll tell you is this. When presenting, there is a direct correlation between your level of confidence and the audience's perception of you as a subject matter expert. Let me say that again. There is a direct correlation between your level of confidence and the audience's perception of you as a subject matter expert. So what good is it if you are a subject matter expert, but the audience doesn't believe it because your presentation skills are weak? You will be unable to persuade them to buy your service or your product if they don't trust you or trust your knowledge. The best thing you can do for yourself as a salesperson is to sharpen your presentation skills and have a greater ability to persuade your audience of potential buyers. I'm Tracy McCormick, and I hope you found this minute valuable.